Hello guys, welcome to my channel Study Point. Today we are going to study about organic chemistry second part, which is main part, which will tell you how to name your nomenclatures. So without wasting any time, start with that. So first topic is functional group. Functional group is defined as an atom or a group of an atom joined in a specific manner which is responsible for the characteristics of a chemical property of an organic compound. That means a functional group is an atom, मतलब कि एक functional group एक atom भी हो सकता है और group of atom भी हो सकता है जो कि कार्बन चेन से अटैच्ड होता है और वो किसका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेता है, वो उसकी केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेता है. फॉर एन एग्जांपल हाइड्रोक्सिल कंपाउंड, फ्री बॉन्ड OH, एल्डिहाइड ग्रुप, free bond CHO, carboxylic acid group, free bond COOH. It will be attached to a carbon chain and it will specify, it will characterize the chemical property of an organic compound. Now moving to an important note, that is alkanes do not contain any functional group. The functional group of an alkene is considered as a double bond, whereas alkynes a triple bond. That means single bond do not contain any functional group, whereas double bond and triple bond contain it. Now moving towards a chart. It is a type of a chart which will help you to identify as well as help you in adding the suffix. So starting with our functional group, halides, hydroxyl, aldehyde, carbonyl, keto and ether. Now their formula. Halides, you remember, X, fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo. I have told in a previous video. So its formula is Rx. This R is a carbon chain which will contain fluoro, chloro, iodo, bromo, and its suffix is ane, like methane, ethane, propane and extract. Now coming to hydroxyl, ROH, ol, methanol, ethanol, like this. Aldehyde, its formula is this and it will contain al, methanol, ethanol, propanol. Now coming to carboxyl, its formula is this and it will be containing oic acid, like alcoholic acid, methanoic acid, ethanoic acid. Now coming to keto, its formula is this and it will contain one, like propanone, butanone, methanone, ethanone, like this. Ethers, its formula is this and it will contain OXY, that means methoxy, ethoxy, extract. Okay, now moving towards the rules of a nomenclature. Rules will specially help you how you will name this carbon chain. So starting with the first rule, which will tell select the longest chain of a carbon. मतलब कि you have to select the longest chain. You see this chain also and you can see this chain also. So we will start counting firstly. 1 2 3 4 5, less. 1 2 3 4, very less. Now start counting from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It contains 6 carbons, so we will take this one. Okay, so this is our first step to be learned, that we have to choose longest carbon chain. Next, start numbering from the substituents. Start the numbering from where the substitution are close. Substituent, you remember, fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo. These are the substituent, methyl and ethyl also. These are the substituents. So remember, if any carbon chain contains your this substituent, so you will start counting from substituent where the substituent is close. From here the substituent is very far away, but from here the substituent is very close, so we'll start numbering from here. 1 2 3 4 5, so it will be 1 2 chloro and 1 2 5 and single bond pentane, so 2 chloro pentane. Now next coming, I'm showing you two substituents in a single chain. Where's two substituents in a single chain? So we will consider the same from where the substituent is close. So from here the C2H5 is close, so we will start numbering from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this. Okay, next coming to the point, if the substituent are present in the same position, that means from the right and the left it is on the same position, so we will prefer the alphabetical order. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल अगर ऐसा होता है कि कोई भी चेन में एक ही पोजीशन में, मतलब हम काउंटिंग यहाँ से भी कर रहे हैं और यहाँ से भी कर रहे हैं, तो वो नंबर सेकंड पे ही अगर कोई आ रहा है तो वी विल प्रेफर टू द अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर लाइक दिस. CH3 is methyl and Cl is chloro. So C and M, so we will consider C. So taking the numbering from here, because here is C is close. So 2 chloro, 5 methyl, hexane, because it is 6 and single bond, so hexane. Okay, next, if chain consists of multiple bond, so start numbering from the where bond is close. Same as a substituent. If any substituent in a chain is very much, so we will start numbering where the bonds are close. So like this, 1 2 3, we start counting, and from where the bonds are close, we will start numbering from there. Next, if the chain consists of multiple bond, but it is it is on the same position, same as a substituent, so we will follow the alphabetical order. Same as a substituent, we have taken substituent में हमने मिथाइल और क्लोरो लिया हुआ था, इसमें हम एन और आइन देख करके हम अपनी नंबरिंग कर देंगे चेन में. Now last point, if there is any functional group present in a chain, so give preference to the functional group. If there is if any chain consisting of substituent, double bond, something, I will tell you in a last point, but if there is a functional group, so preference will be given to only functional group firstly, then others thing. Only functional group firstly. Anywhere the functional group you see, start the numbering from functional group, leaving all the things, start the numbering from functional group. This is very important point. So see, this is the example. So I have started numbering from here 1 2 3 4 5, because the functional group is very near to it. Now last point, and if the both multiple bond as well as the functional group, इस last point में ये हुआ है कि अगर आप किसी भी चेन में ये देखते हैं कि फंक्शनल ग्रुप भी है, सब्स्टिट्यूएंट भी है, मल्टीपल बॉन्ड्स भी हैं, तो हम सबसे पहले फंक्शनल ग्रुप को प्रेफरेंस देंगे. सी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्रेफरेंस टू द फंक्शनल ग्रुप, देन बॉन्ड्स, देन सब्स्टिट्यूएंट. लास्ट में हमारा एक क्लोरोब्रोमो आइडो लिया जाएगा, उसके पहले हमारा बॉन्ड्स लिया जाएगा, उसके पहले फंक्शनल ग्रुप लिया जाएगा. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे, एंड टुमारो आई विल स्टार्ट द नेमिंग ऑफ nomenclatures. So if you have any problem, please ask your queries regarding to this video, and tomorrow we will further start. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share, comment. Please comment if you have any problem. Thank you.